Revit Family Editor allows you to add flip controls to the family so that you can change the orientation of the family within the project. To do this, you go to Create tab and click on this control button here. So there are 4 separate options. There is single vertical, double vertical, single horizontal, and double horizontal. Single vertical and single horizontal effectively do the same thing, and they rotate the element about 180 degrees. The double vertical flips the family in the vertical direction, so about this central reference plane, and the double horizontal flips the family about the middle reference plane left and right here. So if I add a single vertical flip arrow here and a single horizontal arrow here, you can see how they have appeared in the plan view of the family. I can select to move them to orientate them. I've done it with a 3D geometry here, just in a new family, just so you can clearly see how the functionality works. So I just load this into a blank project, place it, and when I select the family, you can see how it has these flip control arrows highlighted here. So if I flip once, you see how it's rotated it 180 degrees. If I flip it back, it's rotated it, and again if I flip it using the horizontal, it's also rotated it by 180 degrees. So this allows for easy flipping of the family about its placement point rather than having to use rotate. If I flip it back, it'll rotate it back. I can delete these two, and then I will add the double horizontal and double vertical flips. Can move these to a bit more centered, and then load this family into the project and override. And if I use the double flip family, you can see how it's mirrored it across this central axis here, across the horizontal axis here. And if I click flip the instance here, it's mirrored it across the vertical reference plane in the family here. So this allows for easy and quick changing of the orientation of the family in the project.